Hey everyone, welcome back to Factic. I'm Barry Alex, and today, we're diving into the exciting world of Apple rumors with a closer look at the highly anticipated iPad 11th generation. With whispers about new features, performance upgrades, and design tweaks, this tablet is shaping up to be an intriguing update to Apple's lineup. Whether you're a student, a creative enthusiast, or just love having the latest tech, the iPad 11th Gen might be just what you're looking for. In this video, we'll break down everything we know so far, from potential hardware upgrades to software features, battery life, pricing, and even the expected release date. If you're considering upgrading or just curious about what Apple has in store, you won't want to miss this. Be sure to check out the links in the description for more details, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech leaks and reviews. Now let's get into it. Let's start with the design. If you're hoping for a major redesign, you might want to temper your expectations. The iPad 11th Gen is expected to look quite similar to its predecessor, sticking to a 10.9-inch LCD display with slightly thicker bezels. This non-laminated screen has a resolution of 2360 by 1640 pixels at 264 ppi, which delivers decent sharpness and color accuracy. While the design might not feel groundbreaking, Apple's base iPads are known for their durability and functional aesthetics. Plus, the stereo speakers on either side of the screen in landscape mode ensure a solid multimedia experience. Now, onto performance. This is where things get exciting. Rumor has it that the iPad 11th Gen will feature the A16 Bionic chip, the same processor found in the iPhone 14 series. This means you can expect excellent performance for multitasking, gaming, and even light video editing. As for RAM, the iPad 10th Gen had 4 GB, but we're hoping Apple bumps it up to 6 GB this time. However, Apple hasn't officially confirmed this yet, so fingers crossed. Let's talk cameras. While tablets aren't primarily known for their photography capabilities, the iPad 11th Gen should carry over the ultra-wide front-facing camera with center stage support. This feature keeps you in the frame during video calls, even if you move around. The selfie camera is expected to stay in its horizontal position, making it perfect for virtual meetings. On the rear, we'll likely see a single camera setup, which should be good enough for scanning documents or snapping quick photos. The iPad 11th Gen will ship with iPadOS 18, offering improved customization and interface tweaks. However, don't expect advanced Apple Intelligence features like those found in the Pro models. The A16 chip and rumored RAM may not be sufficient for those. That said, it will still support productivity and creativity features, including compatibility with the Magic Keyboard Folio and the first-generation Apple Pencil with USB-C. So, you'll still have a great experience for note-taking, sketching, or even using it as a mini laptop. Battery life on iPads is usually a strong point, and the 11th Gen shouldn't be any different. Expect around 10 to 12 hours of mixed usage, including video streaming, browsing, and light gaming. Apple has consistently delivered reliable battery performance on their tablets, so we're confident this trend will continue. Now, let's address the big questions: pricing and release date. The iPad 10th Gen is currently priced around $349, so the iPad 11th Gen will likely start at the same price point. However, if Apple decides to keep the 10th Gen as a budget option, we might see some slight adjustments. As for the release date, early 2025 is the most likely time frame, with Apple traditionally unveiling new hardware in March. So, mark your calendars. To wrap things up, the iPad 11th Gen seems like a solid upgrade, especially with the A16 chip and improved performance. While it won't redefine the tablet market, it offers a reliable entry point into Apple's ecosystem for students, professionals, or anyone who wants a capable and affordable device. And these are the leaks of upcoming iPad 11th Gen. If you want more information about this iPad, you will find the link in the description below. And if you found this video useful, then like the video and also hit that subscribe button. And if you have any question or suggestion for our next comparison or review, feel free to comment below. Until then, goodbye and take care.